I'm just you. Come and cook with me. I'm just you. Come and cook with me. I'm just you. Hey everybody, what's going on? It's your girl Just T coming at you guys with a hot banger video. Today guys, I want to try out this sauce and this barbecue rub. His name is Malcolm Reed. He's a pit master. I'm sure you guys heard of him. Awesome guy. So I ordered one of his rubs and I want to try it. This is the Killer Hogs, the barbecue rub. It smells really, really good. Got a lot of nice seasonings in there. So I want to try this today. And I got his vinegar sauce. I want to try that as well. I tasted a little bit of it and it's really good. It's not real vinegary. Has a little sweetness to it, but not too much. You know, and it also has a little bite at the end of that. So we're going to be using that as well. Also going to be using this is some steak and chop seasoning. And basically, you can still make this same seasoning even at home. The only thing in here is like garlic powder, black pepper, salt. Pretty much. It's like a house seasoning. That's what that is. Also gonna need some mustard, some yellow mustard. You're gonna use that as a binding agent on here, and whatever type of barbecue sauce you wanna use toward the end. And I just have this Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce is what I will be using. So I went ahead and cleaned my ribs off and patted them off and made sure that they're dry. So you're gonna go ahead and you wanna get your yellow mustard, and you just want to just squeeze some on there. Now make sure your hands are nice and clean and everything, because you're gonna get kind of dirty. I actually got myself a little thing on the side of me, a little bowl with some vinegar. Some vinegar. That is funny. I actually got myself a little bowl on the side of me with some bleach water, because you're gonna get dirty. So you want to just take the vinegar. I think it's because you're behind me. You keep going. You can always cut that off. So what you're gonna do now is you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna get your all-purpose rub. You wanna make sure you get this mustard in here and everything, because we're gonna put some of this on top of here. But with the mustard, you wanna make sure that you cover all your areas, because that's gonna help your seasonings stick to your meat. And you can do this with anything. With the mustard thing, because you ain't gonna taste it. You can do it with chicken, whatever you wanna put it on, you can do it on. So now what we're gonna do is, because we got that side covered with the mustard, we're gonna take this seasoning, just gonna sprinkle some lightly. You don't have to put a lot on there, just really, really light. Because we're also gonna go back over this now with this Killer Hog, the barbecue rub. We're just gonna put this on lightly as well. But this rub smells really, really good. It does. So I'm hoping that these freaking ribs come out real good, because Malcolm, you made it look awesome. You did. So I'm gonna try it. And he's saying too, once you get this on there, you should let it sit on your ribs for about 15-20 minutes. So now I'm just gonna flip this on over to the other side. I should pat that in there. Let me pat this on. Just pat it on there. These smell good with that on there. I'm surprised you can't smell that. Just gonna do the same thing to the other side. And as you can see, I went ahead and took off my membrane as well off of there. So now what we're gonna do is just gonna do the same thing. Put mustard on there. You want to get it like all over, like everywhere you want to put your seasoning, you want to put that mustard on there too. So make sure you get it all around the sides, the front, you know. Okay, so I'm just going over it. Video has stopped. Glad my husband was standing there. That's awesome. I appreciate you, babe. You're so silly back there. And he is making me laugh, so I'm probably messing up my video. I'm gonna have all kind of bloopers in here. all kinds. So now I want this rub like everywhere, so I'm just sprinkling this all over. Because I tasted the rub as well, and it's not salty, so that's why I'm using like a good bit of it. I mean, you don't need a lot, but you know, you can be generous with it. It's not salty.
I'll tell you right now, I'm eating like half of that.
You said half of it?
At least half.
Yeah, I can't wait till they get done. Hopefully they come out really good, because I know he definitely he did those ribs justice. So I'm just gonna sprinkle some all over the tip.
Extra 6 miles. 6 miles.
It's okay though. It's okay to do what we gonna do. Cause let me put these back, because this is how I'm gonna put them on the grill. So when I put them on the grill, I'm gonna put them bone side down on the grill. So I'm just gonna let this sit on here for about 15 minutes. And then I'll bring you guys back when I get ready to put these on the grill.
Fired up.
Okay guys, so I got my ribs on the grill. Got them indirect. Don't have a lot of charcoal or freaking wood out here. It's really not gonna take that much. It's only one slab. So this is what I do. I just do it like that, y'all, alright? So I'll bring you guys back in like an hour when I come back. Alright everybody, welcome back. So I went ahead and took these ribs off the grill. So say off the oven. Off the grill. I had them on for like an hour. So I'm about to take them off. They smell so freaking good, y'all. I ain't playing. So I'm gonna wrap them. I have 2 pieces of foil that I'm gonna wrap them with. So what I'm gonna do is first, because normally now I would put some butter on them, but the way that he did his, Malcolm Reed did his, he didn't put any butter on them. So he just put this sauce up underneath of them. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm just gonna shake this up. Let me put these, because now that we're about to wrap them, they're gonna be going bone side up. Bad boys over. Normally, like I said, I would put something on top, but I'm gonna try it this way and see how they come out. So what I'm gonna do is now I'm just gonna wrap these ribs up. They smell so good, babe. Don't they smell good? Can you smell that? Yeah. Smells good.
I smell what the tea is cooking.
What? I like that. So now we're just gonna wrap them. You wanna wrap them twice. All right, you just want to fold it over. I have my oven preheated for 275, and I'm gonna leave them in there for about an hour as well. I'm gonna check them in an hour and see how they are, because I want to put them back on the grill once I get them a little bit tender, a little bit more tender. They already got that smoke in them, so now we just gotta tender them up a little bit. Now you can do this on the grill as well, but I don't really feel like doing all of that. So I'm gonna put them in the oven, just like so. 275 for about an hour. And then I'm gonna come back and check them, and I'll let you guys know the total amount of time that I actually keep these in here. So I'm just gonna open up this oven. Just gonna put them on in here. Put them on in here. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye. Now I'll bring you guys back. Hey everybody, what's going on? We're back. I went ahead and I took those ribs out the oven. I had them in there for like an hour and a half, and we're gonna open those up in a minute. But first, we're gonna go ahead and get this barbecue sauce going. Now, you can use whatever barbecue sauce you like, flavors, whatever, but this is just a little something that I do. Normally as well, I usually put onion, like chopped up onion really, really small inside of it, but I didn't want to do that with these ribs. Just because I'm just trying to, you know, make them look cute. So I ain't want no onion pieces on it. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and just pour whatever favorite barbecue sauce you like. Don't need a lot. And I'm kind of eyeballing this, y'all. So, you know, I always say that with the eyeball thing. And I have some beer. So I don't really have that much beer. So whatever beer you like, whatever it is, put it on in there, right? Put that beer in there. And you need a little bit of yellow mustard. So I'm going to pour some of this yellow mustard in here. maybe about like a little teaspoon of mustard. I'll taste it, and you know, I could usually tell. And we're just gonna go ahead and give that a stir. And if you're worried, you know, if you're some church folks and you putting this bean in, don't worry about it. We about to cook it off when we put it back in the oven. So you ain't even gotta worry about the little beer that you put in here that it's gonna get you drunk or nothing. Hell, that was like a shot of beer. I don't even think that could get nobody drunk. So I'm gonna give this a taste a little bit just so I can see where I am. Oh, that's it right there. That's it. I'm gonna let my husband taste it. Just stick your finger in there, babe. See what it tastes like.
See what's going on.
Why yeah, put your finger on in there. Just taste that.
I like it. I'm down.
Don't need anything in there. So nice little glaze. So let me go ahead and move this on over a little bit. Go ahead and open up these ribs. Had those double wrapped, and I had them in the oven, like I said, for about an hour and a half. And so what I'm about to do now is I'm about to take those out of here. Look at these. Yes. Look at that bone, how it's pulled back. See that? That's how you can tell they're done. And I can tell they're tender, and they smell so freaking good. So now I'm about to get these on a little rack. I was going to finish them off on the grill, but it's getting a little late. So I'm just going to finish them off in the oven. Reason being, they was on the grill for like that hour and a half, and they got some smoke already in it because I could smell it. I could still smell that hickory and that mesquite. So I'm just going to go over these. I'm just going to brush some barbecue sauce on them, like so. And then I'm going to just put these in the oven on broil. I have it on low broil. And I'm just going to put some of this sauce on it. Oh, these smell so freaking good. Look at that. Look at how pretty those look. Man, come on. Just T got you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm about to get these on this rack. I'm going to flip them over and I'll bring you guys right back. Guys, so I went ahead and I flipped my ribs over. Took them out that foil. Got them on a little wire rack. And I'm about to finish these off in the oven. So I'm going to just do the top side with some of this right here, this barbecue sauce. That tastes really freaking good. Because I got my my oven on broil, on low, just so I can let this barbecue sauce just kind of sit, you know, on there. And I'm gonna do a little bit of this seasoning on there, just sprinkle a little bit on there, just a little bit more. But you guys, y'all need to get this seasoning. I promise you, I ain't even reviewing this. I ain't getting paid for this. Malcolm Reed, sir, come see me. Because these ribs right here, I know I did you justice. These ribs right here look good. So now, look at that. Man, please, tell me those ribs don't look good. Man, I'll slap you, your mama, and I might slap the baby. Just how good those ribs is. So we about to put those on in the oven. Just on a low broil. I just want to get this barbecue sauce to like stick. And then I'll bring you guys right back. Those ribs looking good, man. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. Come on, man. I gets it in. This is what I do. I'll be back. Okay, guys, so welcome back. OMG. Now, ain't that cute? Yeah, that's really cute, y'all. Just took those ribs out the oven after I had, you know, put it on broil. I put it on low broil just to, like, let that sauce just go ahead and, you know, just soak on there and just get all chill. Look at that, man. Come on, y'all. OMG. Look at that. You can tell those ribs are nice and tender. Look at how they pull back from that bone. Oh my gosh, y'all. But anyways, y'all, it's just tea. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I hope you all stay forever blessed. Really, I truly do, y'all. And I appreciate all you guys, man. I appreciate you guys. It's just tea. And I'm out. Go ahead. Give it a piece. Ooh.
What's up? This is Method Man. I'd like to welcome you to the day 10 with myself.
I just had to come back real quick and just show you guys how they look after they've been cut. And like they're coming clean off the bones. Like, so this is one of the bones right here from when I cut it. So you know they tender. The thing is too, what I'm learning, I'm still learning as I go. But when you're purchasing ribs, you want to try to find ribs, the rack of ribs that the bones are pretty much straight. You know, so when you do go to cut them, your cut's going to be straight. And it's not going to be crooked. You feel me? But this is what they're looking like. Yeah, look at that. OMG. I am hungry, y'all. Nice little smoke ring up at the top. Could have used a little bit more smoke in there. But it's all good. But that's what they are, baby. It is what it is. I'm about to F this up, okay? Alright, y'all. Later.